Gotta get things up and running. Nice and slow and steady. Cool. Sorry. And pin. I know I'm late. I know I'm late. I'm sorry. I am very, very sorry. But I'm here. One thing at a time. Right? Right. Amazing. Solly! What do you think of the thumbnail? Do you think it's nice? Sorry, I'm only responding now. I got the chat up now. Hey, David G, how you doing? How's it going? How's everybody going, actually? Are we ready for today? Did I pin this now? Cool. Oh, no. Mess things up. Like my speciality. Bim and bim. Yep. We're doing it, David. Ethan, what's up? Hey Silva, how you doing? David G, I'm good. Oh wait. I was like, why am I struggling? Because I'm now old and I need to wear glasses to see things. Okay. Moving on. David G, you know what? I cannot complain. Silver age 47, welcome, by the way. Nice, Ollie. Are we ready for... I don't even know. Just this day. I see Asia session at least had quite a decent move. PM session kind of still looked rubbish. But I guess it is what it is. Okay. New York Law. Cool. Nothing super special. Another Bob level, and it's Bob's level is also the Asia low, basically. Interesting. Okay. Sorry, I'll be back to focusing. Oh, do you know what I did not do? I did not put the multi-champ. One thing at a time. One thing at a time. Have I ever been on a jet ski? Ethan, I've never been on a jet ski. Coffee. I love. Oh, you're like, where's the coffee? You know, it's not a stream without the coffee to keep us going. Don't you worry. It's why I was a little bit late. I was making coffee. That, and then I messed up everything up. Like, you know what? It is what it is. Okay, so we've taken out now yesterday's London high. Which means it took out all of Asia high. Cool. Here we go. $3 a.m. open price. Whoop. Here's Dom's level for yesterday. Okay. I'm back. Let me focus. What is a super duper? Henry, hi from Mexico. Hi, how's it going? Alex, hi. Hey, crazy fun, Ethan. I'm assuming you had a decent day. Thanks, High Life. Yeah, do you think it looks cool? I think it looks adorable. I was having way too much fun. You guys should see the one with me and Finn. Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? I don't think you guys are quite ready for the amount of cuteness. Now, wait, it's hard. Difficult to do this. There we go. Ah. There we go. How cute? How cute is that? Sorry. David, oh! It's an icy pole. Do I want to know? That's 1 liter of coffee. Rip, sorry, I just saw your message now about the coffee. You know what? It is needed. It is needed. Rip, do you think today is going to be anything better? I know some people yesterday were saying, yeah, I think today is going to have a little bit more, just a little bit more momentum, but not true. Anime makes the world a bit better. Right. I've never seen an ugly anime character. Unless maybe I've been watching the wrong anime, but I have never seen a wrong anime character. Wrong. An ugly. Or a... not cute? Hey Chad, what's up? How's it going? Chad, you know what? I cannot complain. How are you doing, Chad? Are we ready for the day? Where's midnight? Okay. Let's do this. Here's raining cats and dogs and really high life. Damn, no, it's so hot here today. It is ridiculous, but we carry on. It's 3 AM. Where are you, Chad? Damn. Technically it's night. Oh, there we go. Volatility dropped half since last week, so not looking great, Rip? Hey, Rip. Oh, Rip. I butchered that. Thanks, Jen. Maybe hi. Can we analyze 50-minute candle and take trade on a 1 minute? Yes, absolutely. You're in Canada? Are Canadians as friendly as, I don't know, things make them out to be? Okay, Rip, so that's not great. That's not great. Oh man, guys, I'm just... I would just like some decent price action. You know, right now I feel like that would just be the dream. Let's make an opening candle range and freaking hope it gets out of it at this point. Okay. I am Kingdom. What am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. It's 9 at night. Damn. That's like my bedtime normally. I'm a very sleepy person. You think you're the only... Okay. Suicidal skeleton, do a backflip. No. Maybe not. Maybe not. I'm Kingdom. Stop tripping. What? Goose, you had a look on... Rip, I did not. Oh, no, I did not. Ghibli Goose. Ghibli Goose? I kind of love that. Just saying. Oh, thanks for the subscription. Question everything. Just buy the dip. Cowboy Mike. Cool. Are you really a cowboy though? I have questions. I could test you. But anyways, I'm assuming you're trading silver and you're saying it's going to the moon, which is awesome. What time do I wake up? Okay, no, so I go to bed at like 10, 11 p.m. at night, and then I am like awake at 5 a.m. Green Globe Explorations! What's up? How's it going? You're bullish on NAS, but then it feels too easy, so I don't want to execute. House, I get that. I get that. Also, hey House, how you doing? How's it going? Maybe it is just too easy. Maybe... nope. Wow. Just wow. Starting to be a believer in silver. I'm Kingdom. I've heard a lot of really good things about silver. I was actually going to bed now. Oh, okay, Chad. Enjoy. Are you a trader, by the way? Oh, only true trader. What? How's it going? How you doing? They call me Cowboy Mike. Yeah, but, you know, are you really a cowboy, or is it just because you wear a hat? What makes you a cowboy? Thanks for believing. Silver Edge. That was good. That was good. You're new here, and you get along like a house on fire. I love it. You can stay. How many years am I? I'm assuming you're asking how old I am. Hey, some guy. Happy Friday. How you doing? How's it going? Just got back from a Christmas party. Damn. Kingdom. Project Freedom. Hi. I'll have good volume post New York session. Oh. But London session's normally my goodie, but there's nothing good about this right now. Wow. I'm hoping, let's see. I'm hoping I'm wrong and that things pick up. Post-party trading. Hell yeah. How was that in trades last night? Project Freedom? It was... Oh yeah, you did call the downside. You are correct. I was about to say, I was like, did you? But you did. Nice. You mainly dabble in crypto investing, or what's your thing? Oh, cheers, Chad. Enjoy. Hopefully you don't feel too rough after a Christmas party. Project Freedom, why do you say that? Why do you think there's going to be a big move today? Oh, at New York Open. I had way too many. Oh, damn. Okay, so you're going to have some babalas when you wake up. I don't know if you guys know what babalas is, but anyways. In what area did I work on before I started trading? Are you asking like what I used to do, David? Or what did I work on to prepare myself to begin trading? So I'm just making sure I understand the question. Now we're going to see a pattern. You always start. Yeah. Ethan, yep, I'm on same time every day. I know I was a little bit late today, but still. We're going to buy or sell. Chakra, in all honesty, I'm kind of sitting on my hands until we stop ranging. My strategy is not great for ranging. I would... I'm not even going to try and take a guess. Part of me wants to say, oh, you know, we took out Asia high. Maybe we're going to look for Asia low before going up, but that doesn't always work. If you were a tree, how many growth rings would be a gentle cross-section of your existence reveal? Rip. I love that. And I love that I understood that completely. Yes, I would have 27 rings. Hey, George, what's up? Have some info, that's all I can say. Okay, Project Freedom? You're a mystery. I like it. Okay. You're gonna have to, David, because that sounds amazing. Hey, Tyson, welcome. Tyson, how are you doing? So, essentially, I was a trainer. Horse riding trainer slash, how do I put this? No? Gym? Yeah. Personal instructor? No? Yep. That's it. Yep, I'm a qualified personal instructor, but I would kind of teach people get the correct muscles going for horse riders in particular. Ah, nice Project Freedom. Enjoy the beach. Cowboy Mike, you have still not answered my question. Do you have a horse? If you don't have a horse, you are just Mike. Do I trade Ethereum? I do not. Sorry, Silver Age. I've heard it's okay. Mixed reviews on that one. Ew, David. So I just read some guy's message and nearly died a little bit. Oh, that's why that wouldn't have worked, because I... Huh. I mean... Maybe being reckless and jumping in on the first thing is the way to go, but that seems like a really, really bad idea. Okay, let's see if we get out of this opening range at all anytime today. Some guy, did you manage to get any, I don't know, anything decent? How was Biddy treating you? Hey Ben, welcome back. How are you doing? Ew, guys. Have I ever blown up at least 100 balloons and then felt how lightheaded you can get? Is the sound nearly... Ethan, that was very random. That was very, very random. Did I mark out the zone? Yes, Tyson, I saw it took out that zone, by the way. I did see it took out that zone. But request to enter that zone, then to look for a short. Oh, damn. So I think I just knocked out the 762 zone, in all honesty. How's trading today? Do I trade? Hey, Bam. I'm assuming it's Bam. As a bomb. Bam, bomb. Anyways, what's up? How's it going? No horse? Just a Porsche. Well, aren't we just damn cool? Mine probably costs me more. Not to, like, buy, but, just general. Working the entry. It retested the previous high wick. Just to the left. Oh, yeah. So, like I said, this would have been actually, I guess, quite a decent trade. I had a fair value gap. I had my shelf. Okay, maybe not. I had two things. That's not really an A+ setup, is it? I had two things. Hey, here's Dom's level. I think Dom... No, Dom's not here right now. Ben, let's not even start that argument. I haven't looked at the charts yet today. Still salty that they stopped me out of my short. Some guy, I get that. I get that. One of my father's friends gave me a horse for my birthday when I was 5 years old. Damn, David, that's a flipping nice present. Oh no, Ben, what happened? might cry soon. I long DAX in perfect stop but couldn't stay in. I put wrong size. High Life, no. Could you not have marketed in or something like it? No. What the heck, man? High Life? It sounds like it's just not a great day so far. That sounds terrible. Oh, thanks, David. Yeah. We had a... Hey, you're from India. Welcome, welcome. I'm from South Africa. Rip, do you trade all year round anyhow? Now that's a good question. I mean, are you guys going on a holiday at all? What's your guys' plan for December? I haven't even asked. What are you guys planning or thinking about doing this December time? Well, I mean, we kind of broke up, but it's still super wiki. You're welcome, Jeff. As long as I'm helpful. Sell all in. NT quota? You know, sure. Sure, why not? You know, why not? Let's just go for it. Let's see what happens. Rip, when do you take holidays? No, not yes. Not yet. Sorry, Kalalani. Sorry to be a bit of a disappointment. Don't worry. I'm disappointing myself as well, but it is what it is. Can you see your account back? Yes? What? Here's my account back. You can see everything here, if that's what you're asking. Ben? I kind of like that. I like that a lot. Some days you're short a few cents, some days you have no sense. Oh, nice, Ethan. That sounds like fun. Not going on holiday. Really, some guy? Why? Are you sure? Are you sure? I've heard that before. I have heard you guys say so many times that you're gonna just, you know, stop, take a break for a little bit, and it never happens. Opening a new dental clinic in my hometown, starting from zero. David, that's so exciting! That's amazing! Hey, Gaz, welcome! Well, hi and bye, I guess, if you're just passing through, but... Hey. Binary Chief, what frame do I trade on? I trade on the 1 minute time frame. I do get confirmations from the 5, 15, 1 hour, and 4 hour time frames though. Yeah. But generally 1 minute is my go-to. December is crypto which is low volume, boring, sideways, not interested in getting sliced up by low volume. And I mean, some kind that's valid. To be fair, right now it kind of feels what futures is doing. It's just going. Well, it's doing the sad movement. We don't like the sad movement. If you say so. When I need one. Well, are you gonna take one this December? Mark the midnight open, and below it is discount, above it is premium. Those are more. So it's in premium because I've already checked where the midnight open is. It's way down here. Said I just didn't take it across, but maybe I should. Whee! So open is at the bottom. Nope, sorry. There's midnight open. Well, I mean, it hit... How did Dom get this level? Respected Dom's level like a boss. And now... Oh, this price action actually might be the death of me. This might be the death of me. What the heck, man? David, this is the Nasdaq futures. What up? Probably just do macro swing, TM once or twice a week, set alerts, and unless the alert goes up, not interested. Valid. David G, you mean the S&P 500? So the ES? No, sorry, David, not crypto. Probably. Why Jan? Why not like December when the markets are meh? Out of curiosity, I mean, you don't have to. Oh, goodness. Visible? Yeah, what? Exactly. I'm confused. That is midnight. That is midnight. Is this live or funded? Well, it's a eval. I'm bullish. Describe account charts going straight up. Some guy, I appreciate that. Sometimes it doesn't feel like that, but you know what? You're amazing. I appreciate that. You're very, very sweet. This sucks. Well, no. I'm being such a negative Nancy way too early in the morning. This could become better. Potentially. What does it look like on the higher time frames? Let's check the 5 minute. I'm gonna do this so I don't get yelled at for blinding people. I mean, yeah. Okay. Surprised Asia actually had some decent movement today, which is quite nice. A little bit unexpected, but it is what it is. 1 hour. You could potentially want to retest back down. Okay. And how's the 4 hour look? Well, can't deny that right now we are indeed a little bit bullish. Can't deny that one. Let's see. Yep. Now we proceed. Hey Jordy, what's up? Jordy, you're joining the morning? What's up? Man. Then it's good if you don't trade, just observe what price do below. Okay, so Muzamil, let me understand this. What you think it might do is come back down below the midnight price, potentially, you know, into discount, and then start climbing? Yes? Ah, thank you for reminding me, David. Thanks for the reminder. that is now what I need to organize that. I need to organize that. I need to remember who was actually decent down here. Oh, I'm gonna get yelled at. I think Sonny, you're very nice. David, I have not tried it. I have it open here, and I see that S&P 500 actually behaves better. I feel like behaves is the right word. Nasdaq can be a little bit of a diva sometimes, if you will. But it looks at least like S&P 500, yeah. What can we do? Right now I'm selling on the gold until price reaches below midnight. I'll be done by then. Hey Tamid, what's up? Pineapple on pizza is like kissing your cousin. It might taste okay, but deep down you know it's wrong. What a statement. Hey Becky, good morning. What's up? How's it going? How you doing? Hey son, how are you? Don't forget to hit the like button, everyone. There we go. Yeah, don't forget, guys, press the like button. I wonder if I press the like button if I will get wins. I'm gonna giggle. I wonder if that works. If it does, that'll be hilarious. Whoever yells at my for not getting the tattoo. Thanks, David. Boom banana tattoo when you know what, Solly? At this point, I'm gonna just have to do it to make you and Boom happy. Hey. I'm just saying. Also, I must thank Boom. Like I said, I had way too much fun with ChatGPT making making the new thumbnail. Oh my goodness, brain cells. This is not starting great for Friday. Maybe I need to have a few more sips of coffee. Let's wake up slowly but surely. And I'll tap over an order block of 15 minutes. 30, and that's having to let it get along, then I'll start climbing up again. Okay. I beg to differ. Stop loss. Below, yeah. Becky, you're just fine. Why are you not amazing? I feel like you need to be amazing. How much money do you consider is required to start trading? Like... Again, like I said, I think you need to have at least like I would say a minimum $500 that you're comfortable losing, and that's like minimum that you're comfortable, that you don't care if you lose it. Obviously, ideal would be like $1,000 to $2,000 dollars. That would probably be better. Hey Maurice, what's up? That was just down below with where. Okay, sure, some guy. No. What did I just do? I don't know what I just did, but okay, anyways, back onto the chart. Now we can click that. Maybe I sent someone random thing going 60, but anyways. Oh, yuck, wait. I'll mark it out when I have eyeballs again. Okay. I see a few. This is where the debates of order blocks come in, by the way, guys. This is where I go. Because are you considering this one as the order block on the 1 hour at 1? Or lower down, you're looking at this order block or this one? I've come to realize that a lot of people have different ideas of what the order block is. Just from what I've noticed chatting to different people and different people sending me saying, look at this order block. And I'm like, okay. And then someone else will say, look at this order block. And it's completely different. Shh, David, shush. Maurice, how you doing? It's the same as Boom's cat avatar thing. Exactly, Sally. But some guy, the second one, include the little bit of fair value gap from the next candle. So this one. This is the one you're thinking of? Yes, yes, yes. So this whole thing. From there, because that includes that fair value gap. Down. Ooh, and right underneath it is indeed the Asia low. Okay, let me just wait for confirmation. Some guy, yep. Cool, amazing. I don't think Rip wants to be a mod for any reason. I don't think Rip has any want to be one, to be fair. I only have this open for proper breakout out of the opening opening time, but let's see. Here is midnight time. And there's the order block. Okie dokie, cool, cool, cool. MZ, do I trade NQ or gold also? Should I have a look at gold? Seeming as this is going nowhere slowly right now. I'm very abduct, but what did I do now, Jordy? I mean, yeah. Even walking on the beach, it was a little bit of a... It made me a little bit aware that maybe I need to focus a little bit more. I was walking on the beach, I looked up and there was a random, like, guy there, and I was like, ah! Completely oblivious. And then I was walking home and someone was like, oh, can I steal your dog? I was like, absolutely not. But I'll be fine. Kalalani, order blocks are a fantasy. Wow. Okay, my opinion, order block is the last buy to sell to buy. Before I move, I must leave some sort of inefficiency. Okay. Okay. Okay, cool, that makes sense. Damn, David, why are you being mean to Maurice? Okay. Okay, there we go. Let's do that. Happy? Happy. Good grief. Thanks, Shorty. No, I do too, man. Like I said, I don't know if this is allowed to be spoken about on the live. I have never used a firearm. There we go, let's make it PG. I've never used a firearm before in my life. I had to work through to sweep out the edge load burn. I like the look of that block last sell to buy before the impulse move up. Okay, some guy, let's see. I mean, this is quite big. Do you think it's going to want to potentially full wick and then go up? Could be an option. Yeah, damn, David has no nonsense going on today. Holy moly. I mean, well, that's rude. Anyways, how long has my trading journey been? Oh, hi. Only since April. Yeah, so I've only been trading since April. It has been an experience. We are still stuck in this range. Okay, so it looks like Asia had a little bit of the movements today. Now we're just gonna consolidate. No, I'm still being negative. Like, not even an hour has gone by. It could just be grabbing some liquidity for a move. Oh, thanks, David. That sounds like fun. I'm still watching the 4-hour gap. That'll be telling for what Rice wants to do today. But okay. Okay, Project Freedom, yes. Project Freedom says that New York might have some decent movement. He can't tell me how he knows. But anyways, which makes me a little bit curious, but it's fine. I'm keeping this up just because it's respecting this level really well. I don't know the difference, David. What tips could you give the beginner if you could go back to April? Ooh! Ooh, that is a tough question because it would probably be more finding confidence in my strategy. Well, number one, I only found the strategy around August, September. So I've only been using the strategy since September. So finding a strategy that I'm super, super confident and comfortable with and trusting in it. Wow, that's quite a tough question. And I say it's tough because I feel like this is just a journey. So would I have changed anything? Probably only just finding the strategy sooner. Hey, Focus, what's up? Mod finally. Way to make annoying people disappear without having to buy a shovel. Wait, why a bag of lime? Oh, lime like dirt. Never mind. That took me a minute. I was like, lemons? Like, why do you need that? Never mind. Oh, good grief. Hey, Big Burrito. So I use Project X. I'm currently using Top 1 Futures as well as my prop room. Tread carefully, he might drop the hammer on your hands. Be nice. Okay, I'm putting it out there to all you mods. Be nice. Okay. Don't ban people for no reason. If they're being creepy, sure, but no banning people for no reason. Well, else I will demod you. Is that a thing? No, I'll make it a thing. That's what you look at when looking for a prospect company to trade. Identify sell. When you think of selling, what is a good profit percentage on each side? When sell. David, that sounds a little bit more like investing type of the things, in all honesty. Rip's pronouns are duck mod. You know what? Some guy, I love that. Maybe Rip needs to get a tattoo of that. David! No. Okay, Clint, no. So much more peaceful on the horizontal. Right, Geordie, you know what? And it is what it is. Anyways. This is kind of making me sad. This price action is indeed making me sad. I'm sticking around because I believe, I don't know what I believe, but I believe that it will get better. Together while strong. Oh my god. That was a good pizza with pineapple. The only reason I'm adding the pineapple is just to take... That's amazing. Since when is what? Focus? What? You are so random sometimes. Do you know that? I hope you know that. I don't even know what you're talking about sometimes. Oh, thanks for the new sub, Rob, by the way. I can see a slow grind up. Focus, you think this is gonna continue to the buy side? I'm waiting for a correction to come into play, but maybe that's just me being optimistic. There we go. Never mind. It can't break out of the standing range. Okay. Right. Kalani, what's up? Rip's not here to shout at you. Maybe we can use that indicator. But Geordie, Rip is here. Or did Rip leave? Was Rip, are you here? Knock knock, who's there? Rip. But which indicator? Which one? Yeah, with possible fast retracements, liquidity grabs. It's those quick ones down that that get me. Let's have a look at something. So, Geordie, remember I was mentioning on days like this, doing something like this. Yeah, this does not look great. That would have been a break even. That's not worth it. Okay, let's zoom in. Let's make this look a little less sad. Let's make it look like there's something happening. If I went here to here, I mean, this one again would have been stressful. It would have been a win. This, I can tell you already, this would have been a loss here. You can see that for a fact. That would have been a loss. What is the date? It's the 5th. The problem is, the little FOMO brain is going, I think my eval resets on the 13th, if I'm not mistaken. So my little brain is going, screw it. No, but that's bad. We can't think like that. That's bad discipline. That's not how we do it. Amado, what's up? How's it going? Geordie? Oh, maybe Rip's not here. Did Rip leave? Huh. No? Never mind. Oh no. Drop dad smashed crap. What's up? Sorry, Rip, I was just checking. Randomness is the master's best weapon. Thought the woman in city holding so far. Could be fast bearish action here as well. Ah, well, oh, here we go. Maybe indeed. Creating a... It's days like this where I'm like, you know what, should I just, I don't know, bring out my guitar and start to freaking learn how to play guitar at this point. I'd probably learn quicker than this price action is moving. I could frame that tiny move both long and short. What's the criteria for picking that range? Bottom to the top. That would literally just be it. That's the thing. That's the problem. With moves like this, there technically is none, which is obviously not good. Hey! They're on 10th. Howdy, how's it going? Can't wait for tomorrow on the inflation data report. SPY is already so close to making all-time highs. Hey Jermaine, what's up? How's it going, by the way? How are you doing? Memory's not a bad idea with the guitar. You have an expiration on that thing. Then you can YOLO in the last day, no worries. You know what? Maybe that's then the plan. Maybe we go a little bit degen. Hey, there's a little imbalance. A little one. See? Rip, starting to notice them. Which me. But does want to fill it. Back down to opening price. No, yes, maybe. It's not worth it if it's in the range. It's not worth it if it's in the range. Hey DK, what's up? Shudo. David, you know how to play guitar? That's cool. Wow. How's it going? I'm going to continue working on my core person. Now looking at some platform. Celestial morning souls at 3:37. We'll take some partials around Asia low down. I'm putting this out there. I thought I heard it's not a cricket, a locust. I don't have lots of fears or phobias. Locusts are one of them. If a locust flies into this room, you guys are going to see me screaming like a little baby. I'm putting it out there. I heard that type of flapping wing noise. It freaked me out, but we're fine. Jordy, I may look into a short here. There we go. Oh, some guy, really? You mean, yeah, eval resets. Well, it does if you blow it. It resets every month. If you blow it. Also just continues. But it does reset if you've blown it every month. Open sell order. Okay, you know what? Really? Shoot. Okay. I don't think I've run so fast in my life. Okay. Sorry. This is actually supposed to be 10. Sorry. People arrived for the pool, and my dog always tries to, like, murder them. That sounds bad, but it is what it is. Anyways. Naturally, they had to arrive right now. Moving on. He gives me a jump scare. Anyways. High pitched voice here. Look, some guy. That's not funny. Will not break the previous highs. Will go down to the net open. The market cares not about hope. Damn. Wait. Is it there on 10th or the iron 10th? I want to say it's the iron 10th. That sounds better. Yeah, I know, but they don't know that. They just see this massive dog running at them, barking with that very scary bark, and they go, nope. I just missed that imbalance. I left the coast, silver to the moon. Nice! The iron. There we go. Got it. You make 10k daily trading futures. Rip. Amazing. Nasdaq futures? What's your what's your weapon of choice, if you will? Still valid for 10 contracts, yep. Like I said, I'm trying to be more bold with this. Ugh, maybe the move has, oh, whoopsie daisies. Maybe the move has already gone and I'm too late. Got my 3 confluences. Got the imbalance over there. Let's see. Celestial, thanks. Volume is high, it's coming down, gaming. Ah, Rip, you funny, hey? Good grief. Rip coming here with all the wanted to ask a question, but I was like, no, let's not ask that question. Trading mostly Nasdaq and gold. Damn, Grip, okay, that's amazing. How long have you been trading for? I think that's the next, proper question. I left the coast? What up? You left the coast? I moved down to the coast. Very different people. Aw, the Iron 10? Thank you, you're so sweet. I really appreciate that. It's just going without me. I thought it would want to come and retest the imbalance. Rip, are you not low-key proud? Just low-key. Are you not low-key proud that I identified it? Just a little bit. Just a little bit. I'll be happy with a little bit. Well, I'm in South Africa. I left the coast. I don't know where you at, but I'm in South Africa. Gamer, I told you, yeah. Gamer, you were correct, but it just didn't come to me. You can't say I didn't place a trade. It just didn't go high enough to get me in. Okay, let's see if it continues. Let's see if it goes up, but whatever. Coast of what? I'm 40 kilometers from the coast. I guess that's valid. I'm actually right down by the south coast. I'm right by the beach, so I live in South Africa, like I said. Don't even ask me that. I am. Oh, okay. I feel bad. It didn't want you in. I know, clearly, Rip, but like I said, I'm following, but I'm specifically not using this range because it did not take that imbalance properly yet. So stop loss is still above the imbalance, which means if it does come retest, maybe take out some internal liquidity before proceeding back down to a short to the midnight open. That's just my logic for it. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I should have used this range. But for me, this has way more confluences than this one. So it is what it is. Might need to make a short of every time Perry jump scares. I'll try. I could give that one a go. That would actually be quite funny. West Coast Canada. Another Canadian! What up? Is it not late there? Part of it. It's fun. I greet you brotherly. Hi. Interesting name. Too bad. Love to see you on the beach. You know what? Me too. But it's just always for trading for me. No. Yeah, do you know that? Hello. Yes, I do. Sorry. What would you recommend a beginner to trade? Forex, futures, etc. I love me. Ooh. I do think it's a bit of a preference thing, in all honesty. So I'm trading the futures, specifically the micro futures, because then I don't blow through capital. The contract size is just way less. It helps in the long run with regards to not blowing up capital and not blowing up eval accounts all the time. So that's just for me personally, and why I trade futures. It's just what my friend introduced me to. It's what I got started with, and I always said I wanted to get good at one asset before I started jumping around like a mad lad. So here we are. 4-1, let's go. Gamer, when volume is low, you should stop it. Stop what? Wait. Gamer, you've now gotten me a little bit confused. Which broker? I'm using top 1 futures, Raj. Guys, maybe I'm old, but what does USO Sigma mean? Oh shoot, this is not good. That's... Set it and forget it, 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 set it, forget it. This is not looking good, but it's set and forget, so... Just leave it alone. Okay, moving on. You're from Bangladesh, what's up? How you doing? I don't even know if I should bother doing this, but anyways, because it just looks like it wants to bump up higher. Sugar, honey, iced tea. Moving on. What? Focus? What? Where did you even come up with that? What about gold? What about gold? Well, it tapped the imbalance. Just fixed it a little bit. It's not looking great right now, is it? Vortex, if it works, it works. Ali, I'm using top 1 futures. Oh, got it. And I'm on the 1 minute. Exactly, hello, exactly. I'm just trying not to look at that's going straight for my... I set and forget, I think that's the important thing. I had my confluences, I had my valid reasoning. It is what it is. You have to pay hedge funds back? Hello, me? No? No? What? Focus? You probably not. Probably not. Does leverage cause these massive dips? I mean, that would kind of make sense, right? I'm not great when it comes to leverage and stuff like that, so I'm not entirely sure. You're gonna have to ask a little bit more experienced people. Does leverage cause these massive dips? Oh, goodness. Periwinkle. I just sat and forgot coffee. Nice. Tap, not quite. Did not quite hit on. Yep. Now they're here, thank heavens I closed things. I thought he was done. Right, more sorry, I didn't even see what your question was. I apologize. I'm just trying to focus. Oh my gracious. I wasn't joking. It can be quite scary when you box like that. Okay, now I mitigate my risk by half. Okay. Because Dem's the rules. excessive right now. Like I can hear him jumping on the sliding door. He is being a lot. You're being unnecessary. I nailed that. Nice. Got that perfectly. Yeah, sorry. Random brag there. Moving on. Yes, there it causes the market to move. Nope. Thank you. I appreciate it, but stop. He's scaring off the locals. Iron, I read that. Amazing. No, stop it! I tried to grab his tail. It did not work. Go below my TP. Celestial, I do have a runner, by the way. Sorry for... Okay. I'm just gonna be muted just for a minute. Just so that your ears don't die. Are we done? Are we done? Item group, hi, what's up? I'm waiting for the candle body to break through, or does the wick count? Not the wick counts. I love me. Are you asking with regards to take profit? If it wicks, then it takes it. It counts. Damn, I think he's hungry. What? No, he is definitely not hungry. I love it to bits, but he's not hungry. Volume imbalance is a hell of a drug. Like, perfectly. Perfectly. It's a little bit ridiculous, actually. But anyway, let's see. Hey! I'm also from South Africa. How you doing? Remember 24 for Asia. That was a nice range pick. Use this as an example for criteria. Why did this range work? Jordy, yes. Well, I guess there was a few things that went into this. Let's see if it continues. Maybe I'm talking just way too soon. It is near 70% though, isn't it? This I should theoretically go break even. Vortex. Oh, cheers, Celestial. Enjoy. Hungry for money. Love. Yes, if it hits. Oh, yeah. It just has to wick. I love me. Sorry, Vision Roller. Okay, now I can go break even. That's definitely. There we go. And now we sit and we wait. It's better when you maximize the trade screen. Rajma, what do you mean by that? Sorry if you don't mind me asking, what do you mean by that? Oops. Chef's kid, thank you. Well, let me, of course, leave two. You think I must leave two? Not one? The Rich, what's up? I saw that. Of course, you want to learn trading, right? I mean, out of curiosity, do you know anything currently? I don't know if that sounds rude to ask that, but what do you know about trading? Listen here, can we please? Hasn't broken below on ES either. I'm now just watching ES. Oh no, why does it look like it wants to start going up on ES? You better go back down. Hey, Project Freedom. Well, it hasn't hit. Oh, okay. Well, I have some profit, so okay. Now we're good. I paid Rip. I paid the duck. I paid the duck, so we're good. Big boys are set to dump air stocks and debt from JP Morgan. Oh, hi, David. There's so many Davids here. But boom. Hey, High Life. What's up? Wait, I need to. Not that. Okay. Yep. One. Cool. Now, am I just going to trail stop? Yeah? Is that what we're going to be doing with this one? Thanks, some guy! It's Elking, really? If Bitsy just jumps without giving me a short entry after me, that would suck. Great job. Good performance, yes. Trail it. Okay. So this is always my question. So I guess here, this is like midpoint of the trade. So that's not a bad place to start trailing. After that, do you just trail by every swing? But obviously give it a little bit of a breather in case it wicks above. But that's then the plan ultimately, is just trail above every swing. So theoretically, okay. Wait for close the 5-minute low, then trail it. Okay. Let me check the 5-minute. So I must move this back, Geordie. That's kind of what you're saying right now. You're running a top one project. Okay, they left. Now he'll. No, my gosh. Anyways, hey, Boom, you got the flu? No, I'm so sorry. Swing highs and swing highs. That form, okay. Go stop loss to above wick structure. And I'm sure either trail above the swings. Oh, this looks like it might come and take me out though. But then theoretically, shouldn't this be above there? I'm using top one futures. That's my current broker. When I trail above swing 20 May. Where that I trail normally just leave stop loss enough in profit to cover fees. I guess I guess that does make sense. So you just you don't trail at all? Jordy, I would add more there. You would add more here. Essentially this. Jordy? You would put this back at like break even. Potentially add a small. No, thanks, gamer. Sorry, yeah, he can indeed be loud. Boom Banana, you'll be back soon. Yeah, I'm sorry, Boom. Sorry you're feeling yucky. That's not great. Remember where usually the bulk of retracement happens. Well, I'm sure I will pop it in chat now. We could stop out even more runners. Interesting. Okay. So I'm trying to decide, do I add some more here? Jordy, do I add just like 2 or 5? No, that's probably a bad idea. What happens if Boom's just feeling sick, High Life? Crypto money, I'm shorting the Nasdaq futures. If I close by the manually. Huh. Wait, Jordy, where is the 4-hour fair value gap? What level's your 4-hour fair value gap at? Out of curiosity. No, do not add. Oh. Don't listen to me. I drink whiskey and that's amazing. No, definitely not. Should be well into profits, not back break even. Okay. What? Wow. High Life? High Life just called Boom Banana an old bot. I'm just saying, it wasn't me. It was High Life. High Life did it. Okay, so now I go above the swing. Like I said, give it a few points. Go away. I'm learning the trailing thing. I'm learning the trail. Either way, I'm in profit, so it's fine. It is what it is. Is that enough of a breather? Not really. I don't know. Hey, Kwam, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Can you explain swing highs and swing lows, please? Oh, of course. I can. Hamza? Yeah, there we go. Another video idea, I guess. David. He's not answering. Must be real sick. Oh, I love that. I love that. Rip. What's my final target? Maybe that's the problem. Maybe I don't have a final target. I was thinking VWAP here. Or maybe the swing low, actually. Yeah, probably the swing low. So 703.25. Oh, it doesn't matter. If I get tagged out, I get tagged out. It's moved to a decent point. Yeah, 703 seems like a good level. Let's check the higher time frame even. So 15 minute. No, I'm still in. Okay, just checking. Yeah. Yeah, 703 seems like a goodie. If I wanted to be greedy, I would say we can go to 682, but that feels a little bit greedy. Oh, it might take me out soon though. Let's see. But 703 on the 15 looks good. Let's check the 1 hour. Yeah, 703. I would say 703 is a shout. Maya, you're on TV. I'm on TV. What do you mean I'm on TV? What? Moving on. After freedom. I don't know how again. How's the trading going today? Hey, Colin, what's up? Welcome back. Not bad in the well, touch wood. In the green so far for today, so that's cool. Use order flow and volume profile with your current setup to confirm. Horn? Also, hi Horn, how you doing? David, what do you mean I'm on TV? Now I'm super confused. Oh my goodness, never mind. Got it. Took me a moment. You funny guy. It might come get me out first. In all honesty, with how it's consolidating right now, it might pop back up before it goes back down. Yep. Because I've seen multiple videos on swing points, but it's not getting my mind. It also has multiple live streamers. None of them have answered. You just want to know, like, a swing high and a swing low? This might be, like, stupid simple, but... The tippy top. I don't... The tippy top of a point is a swing high, and the lowest point is the swing low, basically. So here is a little swing high, and at the bottom is a swing... Like, I think that... I don't think I can make it more simple than that, but essentially, like here, all the way at the top swing high. It went all the way back down. That's now a swing low. Like there's more that goes into it, like a higher high and lower low and, you know, high low and all that, but yeah. Handy, I'm new in trading, so what can I do? Handy, what have you done or what have you not done? Or do you have a strategy that you like the look of? Yeah, help me out a little bit. What? Yeah, let me know a little bit about you. Hi, are you asking if I'm short physically or if I'm in a short? Because yes. I'm not that short, but anyways, I am in a short. Roughly 30 till 7k, can we do it? I don't know about that, David. It is so close to from an ICT community, the dream of reaching the star. Is this a live account? More yeah, no. I mean, I'm trading live, but I'm on an eval account. But it's live trading. And they don't pay the duck when it reverses. There's money. Well, I say, hey, the quacking duck. There we go. So a very good example was yesterday. Yep. Rolf, you hit a short. Yes. I'm not sure. Do you know we may range here? Jordy, where did you enter, by the way? Waking up to a payout hitting your bank is just a different feeling. Can I get a whoop? Oh, only through trader. Whoop whoop. Are we lucky ducking it today? Oh. Oh well. Up 300 for the day. I cannot complain about that. Okay. I'm curious to see what this does. I have both the bigger range and this little range. I mean, this little range technically isn't bad. No, but I'm not going to be greedy now. I'm not going to be greedy. Part of me wants to be, but no. That's bad. That's bad. Point is, guys, win. We gotta win. Oh. We're doing this. Hell yeah. There. Sorry, let me just draw this in. Oop. Take that across. Oop. Actually, that was a really nice entry as well. Nice. Okay. We got a win, guys. Up $300 today. Again, I haven't really checked to see how this week is going. I can't tell you if it's a break-even week. It might be a break-even week. Well, there's an imbalance. See if it continues. That high up. Damn! What the heck, man? Let's see if I had stayed at break-even, then... I don't know. But anyways. Rip, am I a lucky duck yet? When do I upgrade to lucky duck status? Asking for a friend. I am me. I am the friend. I have not read any chats. I'm so sorry. I'm back to focus. Hey, focus. Yeah. What's up? Hamza, no, let's say I'm in a corrective move. Whoopsie daisies. I see multiple swing points. So which one will be real swing point? How will I know? It could be made a premium or discount zone, but Hamza, I think it all depends on your strategy and where you want to enter. You know, like, do you want to enter at a order block? Do you want to enter at premium discount levels? There it hit the imbalance. Well, it corrected the imbalance, or rather, if you will. Happy Maya's a fun Maya. What am I when I'm not happy, David? Just careful. Based on the tape. Ah, that makes sense. Okay, okay. Project. Also, Project Freedom How at the beach. I feel like that was quick, but was it? I don't even know. Thanks, I'm going up once. That was the hardest for me to achieve. I don't know why. Except for December now. Let me go buy ARC Raiders. Only true trader. Don't forget, you gotta buy like Christmas presents and stuff. Ugh. It's about to repeat last night. I don't know. Oh, cheers, Project Freedom. Enjoy. Enjoy. Today was perfectly execute. Do that for 3 months. Okay. I can do that. I can do that. We can do that. We've got that. Yeah. Was better. Sat, waited for it. You know what I did not do though? I did not mark out the 4. Sorry. Okay, again, Rip, if they're basically in line, what does that mean? For closing? No, motherfluffer, stop it. Okay. Okay. Like I said, let me just stay and watch quickly. Like I said, if I had kept it at break even, I'm glad I didn't, but still. Let's see what would have happened. Go down. Only true trader. That is the point of this community. It's to be amazing and supportive, and well, I like to say we all love each other, but maybe love is a strong word for some people. We all enjoy each other's company, I think. I don't know, maybe some of you guys have beef. It makes a quacking much more pain yourself. And I'm an exception, but the bulk of ICT traders don't even know how they trust what he teaches. And still dream of 25 hour. Still added internet soup here, so that's why I am heading up till the open. Oh, Project Freedom. Oh, that sucks. I'm sorry. Hey, M Brown. How's the trading going? Better? Yesterday and today? I don't quite know why. Maybe I'm just starting to notice some more things, hey. But anyways, M Brown, why ES? So technically I'm actually not on ES, I'm on MNQ. I'm on the Nasdaq futures. But I've looked at gold. Hey Libra, what's up? I'm short on NQ. Oh, did you get into a short now? Amazing. I mean, I would have added here. I was this close to adding. I'm just saying. I know it's good that I didn't. Huh. No? No. Be disciplined. Just green is green. Don't go ham just yet. Love is very strong. I love Perry. I mean, that's valid. Who doesn't? If you don't love Perry, there's something wrong with you. I will be judging you. Which symbol is this? Hey, Soft, this is the Nasdaq futures. What's up? Welcome. Brown. Asia was Asia good? Did you trade the Asia session? I'm more with tights good. Wait, sorry, I can't stop you. Okay, wait, okay. I feel like that's a whole other question. 24%. Angel Eyes looks bullish. Yeah, maybe it has turned now. I'm not sure. I thought it was going to go down a little bit further. Like I said, I quite enjoyed this 703.50 level. It's a very valid level on both, well, all 5, 15, and 1 hour. I didn't check the 4 hour though. if it's a nice level on the 4 hour. For me, this would be a nice level, but you know, I'm still figuring things out. Oh! Hey, Taban, what's up? Yeah. Welcome, welcome. This one's a little bit better. Hey, sorry about that. Oh, amazing. And I'm assuming it was good and that I can say whoop whoop to you. So if you get wins, you get a massive whoop whoop. This chat's amazing to witness. Celestial, I don't even know what's going on half the time. Oh, it doesn't work on funded next. Just the distance. Oh, roll? It should. If you don't mind sending me maybe a screenshot of that, it should be working on funded next. Asia session is pure liquidity trap in my opinion. Juan? I know some people love trading it. Solly, you trade Asia session, right? Don't you? Here's the thing about me. I can't lose too many trades in a row. Messes with my psychology. Even overall, I'll be profitable. I just can't do reason right. So long to be profitable. Only true trader? That's interesting. Just a mental state thing. Sorry, I know I'm kind of butting into a conversation here on my stream, but just kidding. Just kidding. Some guys are straight technicals and are profitable, so I guess we're all just super lucky. Oh, the drama begins. Damn, guys. Okay, so note to self, 11:30 South Africa time is where drama begins. Geordie, maybe I should have listened to you. Ugh, man. Look at that. Oh well, it is what it is. Roll. That's weird. Give me a second. Let me go see what's happening. Sorry. Trying to sort it out quickly. Can you put it in properly, Rob? I'm assuming, sorry. Yeah. Alright, what's up? Look, you know when you're toxic, surprising for trading community. Only true trader, really? Okay, obviously I just know you guys as the trading community, so I don't know anyone else. Is the trading community really toxic? I'd love to see your trading statement. I still haven't met a profitable tech trader. JD, I don't want to be that person. No, okay, I won't be that person, it's fine. Number 844 Maya. No. Lasagna. David, sorry, did I miss something? David G. Oh. Am I on the 1 minute quam? Yes, I am. I'm on the 1 minute time frame. Jose, what's up? How's it going? Oh, man. I guess shoulda, coulda, woulda, right? Well, here I would have mitigated risk by half. Would have moved things down a little bit. Perhaps one word, yep. David G, the other, it was? Which one? No, why was it frozen? Was it maybe my Wi-Fi looks fine, that's weird. Should have used better example. And like a cartoon picture of your channel. Yeah, I mean both of them have it, don't they, David? It's supposed to, sorry. Jose, you are welcome. David, seriously. The main one. Oh, sorry, David G, what the heck? Is anyone else? Jose, are you... Is it buffering or is it working? Jose, is it working for you? Celestial, whoop whoop. I'm regretting not taking this trade, but in the same breath, meh. In the same breath, it is what it is. Tapped into the midnight open. You know, point is, it's still in the green. Now we don't do silly goose things, right? We continue being lucky duck. I mean, I did have 3 confluences, but it is what it is. Trailing is harder than entering, to be fair. Yeah, true. Jordy, I wanted to kind of enter a second trade here, but like I said, if you've just had an awesome win, you don't then want to just hop in on the next one. I've done that before, and it's doesn't always work out in your favor. So, meh. Oh, thanks, Celestial. Thank you. On the 1 hour, you can see that NQ is pulling back on my push up. Shorts until the pullback ends. I mean, I was still looking at shorts, to be fair. Like I said, I was going to potentially take this entry. Oh, there we go. Would have been a win. Yeah, it's fine. Keep it green, New Yorkers. No regret. I feel like I need to do like a... Goodness. Yes, sir. Leveled up this week. Trades were clean. Aw, thanks, Solly. Wait, have I leveled up to Lucky Duck yet? Am I Lucky Duck yet? Lucky Duck. No? Oils, fossilized dinosaur, actually little tiny dinosaur, real dino. Some guy, when you say things like that, you hurt my brain because you're not wrong. But you're not right. But you're not wrong. Take note of my confluences that got me into the trade today. Okay. I mean, I had amazing shelf, if you will. A little bit of a liquidity sweep. I had, no, what am I doing? Yes, no, that is correct still. I'm used to use this range. The fair value gap. And the whatchamacallit? Imbalance. Okay. So I actually had quite a few. This one, I mean, I would have had the fair value gap, which would have been really good. The VWAP? Okay, so I guess. Oh, no, I guess you could... Yeah, okay, I guess. This trade would have only technically had 2 confluences, which is not ideal. Rolf, go in with 1 micro. Rolf, if you don't mind popping me an email, and then I'll let you know as soon as I find out what's happening with Funded Next, if you don't mind. Or if you have Discord and you want to just pop me a DM on Discord. If you have Discord and you want to join, obviously, that is. Hey Jared, what's up? I'm also from South Africa. How are you doing? Welcome, welcome. I love it. So many South Africans here. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't realize there were so many South Africans that traded. Maybe that's just me being super naive, but yeah. I want to see if it reaches my level. Should I put you a Maya level? We have a Maya level people. Well, no, it's just liquidity level. I'm sorry, what? Look at David getting clever. What the heck? Maya, marry me, you are so rich. Storyteller, you funny, I'm not rich. I don't trade price action. I mean, Quam, technically I do, yeah. Ricky, how's it? What's up? How's it? Are you South African? Hey, Steven, what's up? I had no idea you were from South Africa as well. Yeah! There's a few South Africans here. Welcome. Welcome. Join the chaos. Well, I say chaos. I'm not wrong though. It's pretty chaotic. I wanted to do something. I wanted to do. Oh, that's what I wanted to do. Sorry, the ADHD got me. Vision, another South African. Hey guys. You guys have Discord and you want to join this amazing community? Here we go. There's the link set. Is your level for buys? Chakra, no. Sorry, that was for sells. Here we go. Jared, you Durban side? I'm also in KZN. What's up? GTNI. Oh. Oh, missed it. Missed it. I messed it up. The Maya level. I mean, it wasn't exactly a Maya level. It's literally just liquidity. So I can't exactly claim that one. It's not rocket science or a random level, but it is what it is. One, two, three. The entry would be better further down, in all honesty. But not the best. Yeah, that's why it would be better lower down. Let's see if it continues back up, but in the middle of the fair value gap with the shelf would have been the better entry. Sorry, I have hiccups if I just pause in between. My hiccups need to go away. I mean, it respected it is going to continue lower. So this would have been a win. It is what it is. Let's see now with this range. Nope. Nope, never mind. So there's an itty-bitty imbalance right by the VWAP and an imbalance on this side. So, but this imbalance has been kind of quote-unquote taken. So it's no longer valid, or this is where again I get confused. You say sometimes it's valid, sometimes it's not valid. Macaroni, you're from Florida, welcome. And from Pakistan, hi. And I feel that it's looking for support to run back up to the swing high. What, back up here? The swing high or the high? You think this is just doing some crazy liquidity grab stuff? I thought you were a gamer at first. Well, it's nice. I'm happy with that. I'm fine with that. I just say KZN be big. I'm just saying. Durban is in KZN. Amsterdam, boy. Let me guess. Are you from Amsterdam? Hi, by the way. How you doing? Now it's working. Had to press play. David G, sorry. I just saw what David G said now. I'm sorry. I'm a little bit slow on that one, but anyways. Chewy? Thanks. Oh, don't worry, David. I got that covered. I am thwarted. Yeah. Why don't you paper trade after you're done with profits for the day to sharpen your edge? Some people might say that's over trading, but I see it as practice. I mean, is this forward testing not technically doing that? Like, I'm obviously just not placing the trades, but I'm watching and pretending as if I had set it up. Does that make sense? I don't know if that counts, but yeah. Stranger Danger, and a cattle prod. I don't have a cattle prod. I got a very big dog. I've been aging for the past hour. Thanks for the video. Ah, I think, no, wait. Never mind. I think that's a bad thing. I don't know. I don't know anymore. Hello! How's it going? Oh, yep, it was bad. My bad. This makes sense, but nothing beats actually shooting basketball. He said it is a big place. This is your full-time profession. Hey, Jared. I want it to be. I've only been trading since April, so I'm still figuring some things out. How long have you been trading for? Do I trade only ICT? No. I actually have my own little setup. This is a GAN box. It's not even a fib. I use some ICT and SMC confluences and concepts, but no. I use concepts, but I'm not trading like exclusively ICT. Oh, well, can I just call you AK? Thank you. The high from a little over an hour ago. I mean, the support could be ways below still, but I'm basically looking for potential long setup reversals as a pause. Oh, okay, and okay. Cool. Do I trade silver bullet? No, sorry. Not what you said about over trading or goals. I just trade my setups when they arrive until the close. There really isn't over trading if you stick to your rules 100%. Hard trader, I love that. I love that. I think as long as you're not letting greed and FOMO and all of that take control of your trade, it's that you had an A+ setup and you took it, then it shouldn't matter, right? I'm just trying to be more disciplined with only taking the A+ setup. Like this. This was an A+ setup. You can see it whipped in perfectly. It was beautiful. Chef's kiss. Like I said, I could have maybe had a second trade here. It wasn't so much an A+ setup, so, you know, only take your A+ setups. This one I'm looking at going, this could potentially be... Again, if the entry was a little bit lower, this could be an A+ setup. Nyan? Yes. Technically, a lot of strategies are very similar or same. They all use similar concepts. It seems like orb strategy. No, 5 minute guy. No. Not orb. Sorry, is it because of this that I drew here? Sorry, that was the opening range. I was just waiting for it to kind of get out of that. Sorry, I'll delete that. Apologies. Maybe that was a bit confusing. What? Okay, moving on. Yeah, mine isn't interested in them. Really, he just thinks a toy to throw around and chase. He's not interested in eating them. That's it. He's a weirdo. Some guy, you know what? Some guy, to be fair, I love Perry to bits. So he aced puppy training, like puppy school, puppy classes, whatever you want to call it. He then failed / got kicked out of teenage dog trading. Damn. Oh my gosh, I'll never trade my dog. Anyways, dog training, because he was so uninterested in the treats we had. He just wanted to play with all the other dogs that he just wouldn't listen to us, and everyone else was just so much more fun than we were, to the point where even the instructor was like, sorry, I don't know what to do. I'm like, okay, that's great. And now he's the best behaved little brat out there. Love him. I have ever traded forex. I have not, sorry. I see. Oh, there's tons, Jared. It's because mine was making lots of noise earlier. So. And Perry is actually the star of the show, if we're being honest. I'm just the human that goes along with him. Hey Kazi, what's up? How's it going? How you doing? I got my own algo. It's making 10k day. Crip. And what's the success rate? Don't trade the dog. I will never trade my dog. Don't worry. Someone this morning even said, "Want to give me your dog?" And I was like, no, absolutely not. I will fight someone. And I'm not a fighter. I will fight someone if they try to take my dog. Did you know group lessons is home? What? Anyways. Came for the trading, stayed for Perry. I mean, when you're right, you're right. Oh, hey, Untamed, what's up? What do you mean I'm back? I'm always here. I'm always here and ready for action, if you will. I am, yeah. I'm up $300 today, which is quite nice. I could have gotten another trade in. It would have been a win. It is what it is, but you know, also don't be dumb if you're in the green, right? And we still have New York session later, so let's be good. Jared, how did I learn how to trade? So essentially a friend taught me the basics. So the friend that introduced me to trading taught me the basics, like, you know, what's a fair value gap, what does an order block look like, all those things. And the rest I've actually learned from this amazing community. Jared, yeah. Jared, I'm so sorry. I feel like you maybe did answer me and I didn't see it, but how long have you been trading for? Hey, Real Fantasy, am I looking for longs? I was actually looking for shorts. I'm probably done trading the London session for today though. I am in profit. I am up 300. I nearly said 3,000. I wish. I am up $300 for today. So we just proceed, right? And I'm gonna be back for the New York session still anyways. This does kind of look like it wants to start going long though. It hasn't hit a Maya level yet though. I wanted to hit my Maya level. The 703. It looked good on all the time frames. The 5, 15, 1 hour and 4 hour. But maybe it's going to retrace a little bit further before it goes back down. And then potentially we'll have a reverse. So I'm just talking rubbish now, sorry. Short here. I was thinking about a short. Oh, I nearly missed my mouth. Moving on. Oh, I missed a lot. Man, as a mod, I'm seeing things here. Rip, welcome, right? Nice profit. Thanks, Jared. You'll go green in New York session too. Oh, David, no. I'll trade the dogs are the best. Safety, comfort, routine. Routine is the good one. Love, discipline, etc. Too many positives. Right. And the only negative, which I don't even care about, is the hair that is everywhere. So. And that's weird. Sorry. Tell your notifications to get a grip. No, I haven't traded before. Oh, at all. I was actually just scrolling past and saw your stream pop up. Jared, that's amazing. Would you ever like to... So out of curiosity, right? As a South African, just if you had to meet someone and they're like, yeah, I'm a trader. What's your first... how do I put this? What's the first thing that pops into your head? Jason, is the Russian market really crashing? I have no idea, sorry. Really? Are you serious? Aw. Thanks, guys. I'm up 7K. Hey! Aw. You know, part of my brain was gonna be like, oh, when I hit 7K, no, but we gotta up the subs a little bit because over the weekend sometimes people unsub, so I was gonna like lie, I guess, and say if I hit 7K, I won't trade New York session, but now I have to because I mean apparently we're gonna have some decent movement during New York. I gotta now. Ah, damn. Anyways, I made no promises, so that's fine. I'm out on Tuesday, why not? Should I grab a monster? You know what, Jordy? Always. When in doubt, always. Which one you getting though? Which color? What flavor? Wow. Oh, I mean, damn. We're still talking about the energy drink? Oh, goodness, it's a plan. I'm gonna take Alpha, but I'm stuck here waiting for Biddy to invalidate my short idea or trigger my short idea. Yeah, 100%. But that's how it always works, some guys. So they live a hard life. Honestly, real fantasy, it's ridiculous. Thanks, David. However, I don't think you were scammer. First impressions that you were South African, so I was intrigued. Interesting, really? I guess the South, well, not always, but in general, the South Africans know I am South African. In general. Everyone else seems to think I'm Australian, so that's quite cool. Oh, the energy drink here. The reason why I came in here. Ah, well, careful, careful. Some of these mods are a little bit mean. So no one block Untaint. Untaint is sweet. Leave him alone. Samco, hi. How you doing? Here, hi. With 1 minute to stay. Yes, the slight accent gives it away. Yep. Oh, David Shush. Never got blocked, but I see how nasty they talk to the viewers. Really? I've never really watched, maybe that's a bad thing, but I've never really watched another trader live. I think it might hurt my brain, or make me feel like I'm doing things wrong. But interesting. Yeah, the mods seem cool. Oh, no, they are, Jared, don't worry. Do I know full margin trading? Go to Blueprint Traders? Damn, goodness. Not I've heard it mentioned a few times. I think I'm gonna have to go do some research on it. I'm assuming you're a full margin trader, right? There we go. Like I said, they're strict, eh? Oh, here we go. Oh, thank heavens. And this is why I said don't be greedy. Let's see if it respects the VWAP. I kind of wanted to stay and see if this would have worked out. That was quite a bit of buy pressure though, so maybe not. Okay, well it is respecting VWAP quite nicely. Jared, to be fair, David, who has absolutely no interest in trading, has learned quite a bit about trading, which I find quite funny. Knox, also another South African, he's not here now. Knox also wanted to learn trading. He's now started to paper trade, and he knew nothing when he first hopped on. So it's amazing to watch how he's grown as well. Like I said, Jared, if you do have Discord, I don't know if you saw the link. If you do have Discord, you're more than welcome. You can join the Discord channel. There's a lot, you see a lot. It starts to give you a bit of an idea. It can be overwhelming. I'm not gonna lie. Even when I started trading, I was like, what the heck is going on around here? Just the jargon behind it is ridiculous. I had to look at you and be like, yo, damn, it hit my SL instead of my TP. Does that make any sense? No. Essentially, I lost instead of winning. That's it. Hey! Why are you working out so nicely now? Sugar honey iced tea, man. Okay, well that's a little bit... Oh, he's having a dream and he's just bopped in his dream. He's so cute. Oh, now he's snoring. Never mind. That cute moment lasted 5 seconds. Oh, no, man. Sugar, honey, iced tea. Maybe I should have trusted in my... No, no, no. Be happy that you had a good setup and you took that setup. Why? It's just so frustrating to see it work out perfectly. Ugh. Anyways. Oh, David, I'm not lying at all. I noticed we must get some weird comments. Yeah. Good red, stop loss, and green take profit. Yeah. Untamed? No. Sleep Wolf. Exactly. How cute. 0.5 is your buy. It would have been my buy point, yes. It would have been. Oh, let's see, maybe. It would have been my buy point. Like I said, I'm probably... Oh, I actually need to hop off. So before I leave, here we go. I'll pop this on one last time for you guys. Here is the Discord link if you guys want to join. I am probably gonna hop off soon. Because I gotta go ride my horses. Go touch some grass before New York session later. Hey, cute Dory, what's up? How much did I spend on that setup? This one? My winning one? Is that what you're asking? Oh, cool, Jared. It's just a nice place to chat, I guess. Rip, that's exactly it. I'm trying to get out break even. Oh, where you at, Rolf? Okay, thanks. Office placing want to go. Yep, 100%. I think it's time. Let's all go touch some grass. Be back for the New York session. Let's see if this would have been a swing or a miss, right? Okay. I'm gonna call it there then. I love you guys madly. Thank you, as always, for joining. See you soon. Oh, Untamed, I sent it now in the chat. It should be there. Sent it in the chat. Make sure you take water, yes. No. Aw, sorry. I'll be back for the New York session. 9 a.m. EST. No, sorry, I lied. 9:15 a.m. EST. So I will be back soon. Again, I love you guys madly. Thank you for the support. Please don't forget to like the stream. And if you want to show some more love, I'll figure out what's happening with Funded next, by the way. If you want to show some more love, please don't forget to use my code. It's TeachMaya with any of the prop firms in the description below. But be back for New York. I love you guys madly. Bye.